Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to register a complaint in CEIR Mobile. Losing your mobile device can be incredibly stressful, but the CEIR portal offers a crucial way to protect your data and potentially recover your phone. We'll walk through the initial steps, including understanding what information you'll need to gather. This process helps block your device across all networks, making it unusable for anyone else, and significantly increases the chances of its recovery. Let's get started with the essential preparations. Before you begin the online registration, it's vital to have all your information ready. First, ensure you have your device's unique 15-digit IMEI number. Next, you'll need a copy of the police complaint report, also known as an FIR, which is mandatory. Proof of ownership, like an invoice or purchase bill, is also essential. Finally, remember the last known location and the exact date of the incident. Having these details at hand will make the complaint process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's move to the online registration. Visit the official CEIR website or download their mobile application. Look for the option to block stolen/lost mobile and click on it. Carefully fill in the detailed complaint form, entering all the information you gathered, including your IMEI number and personal details. Upload the required documents, such as your FIR and proof of ownership. After reviewing everything, submit the form. You will receive a unique request ID. Make sure to note this down for future reference. Once your complaint is registered, you can easily track its status using the request ID you received. Simply visit the CEIR portal again and enter your ID to check for updates. Should your mobile device be recovered, the portal also provides a straightforward process to unblock it, restoring its functionality. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, CEIR support is available. Typically, the blocking process takes a few days to become fully effective across all networks. Stay informed and proactive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.